Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s and let me show you how to activate the eye comfort mode or night mode, whatever you call it. So first of all, we will customize it and then I will show you much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. As you can see here, we've got the blue light filter option. If you'd like to turn it on right now without any customization, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, the screen turned a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. If you'd like to customize it, just tap on the blue light filter, and as you can see on the very first position, we've got the opacity, so it means that we can adjust the intensity of that feature just by swiping. So by going to the right, you can change it and make it look more orange and much warmer, and by going to the left we can make it much cooler. So it's of course up to you how you want to set it. I think I will leave it like this, and under it we've got two actually options to choose from. We can turn it on right now, so here we've got this option applied and activated, so it means that the blue light filter will be always activated, or we can turn it on as scheduled. So after tapping on the switcher right here, we can choose if we'd like to automatically turn on this filter from sunset to sunrise, or we can custom the time. So simply tap here, and as you can see, we can freely choose the start time by swiping. So let me pick, for example, this one, and the end time, for example, something like this, whatever. And as you can see, it is immediately applied and the screen turned yellow again, because the time we've got currently set is between the start time and the end time. But let me turn it off and let me turn it on now. And now actually this is the whole customization of this feature. So in order to have much faster access to it, just unroll the top bar. And here we have to find the blue light filter icon, which is now obviously turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. So that's all. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.